Welcome to Real Estate Investment Managers Brokerage Development LLC Maintenance Unclogging Toilets. Today we're going to talk about unclogging a toilet with three different tools. One is your plunger. Second is hot boiling water. And third is dishwashing liquid soap. Now, if you use hot boiling water, it can be very dangerous. So we only recommend you using this part of the tool in case you're willing to hold us harmless in case of injury or death related to that. If you don't want to use a hot boiling water, don't use that. Just use a plunger and dishwashing liquid. First, last night we had a dinner party and Aunt Mavis came over to visit, and we've got a problem. There's a toilet clog. So let's take a look and see what we have to deal with. Well, maybe we don't want to show you that, but we will tell you how to unclog a toilet and give you some ideas. First, you take your hot boiling water, open up the toilet, pour it in there. There we go. Second, take dishwashing liquid, pour that into the toilet. Get a good amount of that in there. And then we wait 15 or 20 minutes to let the hot water and the dishwashing liquid penetrate that clog. So the chemical reaction of the hot water and the dish soap will help penetrate that clog. Next, we introduce our plunger. And we plunge. And we want to plunge vigorously. You really got to get into it to get that clog out. And then you might feel that clog has been released. And you were successful. But let's check that. Just flush the toilet. And it either worked or it didn't. If it didn't work, plunge again. So we hope this helps you, give you ideas how to unclog a toilet in your apartment. Thank you.